Ever wondered how to build the perfect acting foundation for your child? From stage fright to natural delivery, every young actor needs core skills to truly shine. Let's explore these together. Hello everyone, I'm your acting mentor, here to guide you through the exciting world of youth acting. A strong foundation is crucial. It's not just about memorizing lines, but truly understanding the art of performance. Many parents face common misconceptions. They might think acting is just about talent, not learned skills. Young actors often struggle with stage fright, making it hard to express themselves naturally. Or they might deliver lines in an unnatural, robotic way, lacking genuine emotion and connection. Without proper guidance, these challenges can hinder a child's potential and passion for acting. But with the right tools, these hurdles become stepping stones to incredible performances. Let's dive into the key foundational elements that every young actor needs to master. First, imagination and creativity. Encourage your child to invent stories and characters. This builds their ability to create worlds and roles in their mind, essential for acting. Next, emotional expression. Help them understand and convey feelings through simple exercises. Learning to show joy, sadness, or anger authentically is a powerful acting tool. Third, listening and reacting. Acting is a conversation, not just a monologue. Practice active listening and natural responses to build believable interactions. Finally, voice and movement. Basic vocal warm-ups and physical expression are key. Help them use their body and voice to tell a story, making every performance dynamic. Now, let's see these foundations in action. Watch this young actor apply these skills. Initially, they struggled with confidence and natural delivery, just like many beginners. But through practice and understanding these foundations, a transformation began. Now, observe their confident performance, full of genuine emotion and presence. The power of a solid foundation is evident in every nuanced movement and heartfelt word. The mentor smiles, offering encouraging commentary on the child's remarkable progress. To recap, we've covered imagination, emotional expression, listening, and voice and movement. Remember, building these skills takes time, consistent practice, and a lot of patience. Encourage your young actor to start practicing these foundations today. Every step counts. Consider finding a local acting class or exploring online resources to further their journey. My mentor has a group called the Hollywood Winners Circle, which offers a year-long option or kids option for parents about the business of acting. I'll link it in the description. The journey of a young actor is filled with discovery and growth. Embrace every moment.